The Alula Connect Plus wireless encrypted security and automation system. The Alula Connect Plus panel comes pre-programmed with monitored clients, so there's no need for tedious programming of sensors. All customers need to do is take the panel out of the box, plug in the main control panel to the power outlet, stick up the sensors, devices, and keypads. Then call GeoArm to test your alarm signals, receive your username and login passwords. The Alula Connect Plus was designed in a different manner than most all-in-one security systems. Alula figured since most people today have their smartphones with them all the time, the need for an expensive keypad should be optional. Instead, end users can remotely arm and disarm the system using the very responsive Alula smartphone app. With that being said, the Alula Connect Plus comes in as our least expensive system on our list. The Connect Plus system comes with a 24-hour backup battery on board that will power the system and communicator modules in the event the power is cut. End users will have the luxury of choosing between broadband, Wi-Fi, LTE cellular, or a combination of interchangeable communicators to obtain dual-path alarm monitoring services. Having multiple communication path options allows end users flexibility in monthly monitoring rates. Alula has created a whole new line of security sensors and peripherals. This product line has a 128-bit, one-way encryption back to the Connect Plus panel to protect against RF jamming. The Connect Plus sensor line has the third best range of all systems on our list, totaling 1,500 feet nominal without a repeater and 3,000 feet nominal with a repeater. Not only is the Alula Connect Plus a home security system, it can also be set up to use Z-Wave Plus devices, so you can create a smart home mesh network. The touch of one button in the app or verbal control using Amazon Alexa, you can arm and disarm, toggle lights on or off, set thermostat temperature, and either lock or unlock a door. With the Alula app, end users will be able to remotely and individually bypass sensors. This is one of two systems on our list that offer this feature. The Alula Connect Plus does have access to its own recordable, two-way audio, DIY IP camera line called EasyViz by Hikvision, which has an indoor pan tilt, outdoor, and video doorbell option. The downsides to the Alula Connect Plus system are: end users can't program the system locally, it can only be programmed in the dealer portal. There is no recessed encrypted door or window sensor at this time. Alula does not integrate with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, August door locks, Nest thermostats, Rachio sprinkler controllers, Lutron lights, or LiftMaster garage doors. Also, for cellular communications, the panel only supports Verizon LTE, no AT&T option at this time. No one-go, all-go feature for smoke and heat detectors. This is where if one smoke sensor goes off, they all go off simultaneously. Connect Plus can't reutilize existing hardwired sensors, as there's not a module to this point that will allow you to do so. Lastly, with the Alula Connect app, end users can't see when a door was opened in the event history, and there is no zone control. We will be providing updates to this security system and features in the Show More tab below throughout the year.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video, where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.